Hello there and welcome back. Francois from howtobecomemore.com. Today we're going to talk about something quite special. Why you must choose your friends wisely. Why you must choose your friend wisely. Well, your friends are your environment and we are a reflection of our environment. As you start growing and developing yourself, well, newsflash, your friends will change or you will change. Therefore, new people will come into your life. And if new people aren't coming into your life, therefore, you're at the same level. They say that we are the average of our five people that we hang around the most with. Our income, our lifestyle is a reflection of that. Therefore, as we improve our relationships with others, therefore, we improve our lives as well. You must choose your friends wisely. You do not want to have people that, as you're going up, they're trying to pull you down. You want them to support you. That's what real friends are about. It's not necessarily money. We're talking about good relationships. We want the best for our friends, don't we? Actually, how to make friends is a simple task. Be nice, be kind, be genuine, serve others. As you do this and forget yourself, people will want to be around you. And that's something that is wonderful. Another thing, as far as choosing your friends wisely, is the power of having to say no. Sometimes, and when I look here, most of you must know I have my agenda. On this screen is only my agenda. And therefore, if there are spots that are taken because I plan my week, therefore, if people are asking me for too much, it doesn't work, you have to say no for that specific time. You can put them somewhere else. That's an important part. We don't say no and become someone that people don't want to be around with, but rather you say no because if something is already set, then you can find another spot for you. Choosing your friends wisely and carefully will enable you to continue to develop and grow into the person that you need to become in order for the talents that you have inside of you to come out and shine and serve others in better ways. I believe in you. I know you have it in you. Continue to grow, continue to move, and choose your friends wisely because we are a reflection of our environment. Until next time, make it a great day. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to find out whenever there is a new video that comes out because I do them every day, 5 days a week. And like this video so others like you can benefit from these life-changing ideas. I value you. I thank you for spending time here with me. And I wish you all the best. Become all the best that you can be so you can serve others. And let's elevate this world to a better place. Until next time, make it a great day.